Canceling pending transactions on Cashapp is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Unfortunately, canceling pending transactions directly within Cashapp is not always possible. This is because some transactions are automatically processed shortly after initiation, leaving no time for cancellation. However, depending on the type of pending transaction, there are a few options you can try. For Cashapp to Cashapp payments, check if the recipient has already claimed it. Open the Cashapp activity feed and locate the pending payment. If the recipient hasn't claimed it yet, you will see a cancel button next to the transaction. Tap on it to cancel the payment. If the recipient has already claimed the payment, you will need to contact them directly to request a fund. Explain the situation and ask them to send the money back to you. For Cashapp to bank account transfers, pending transfers to bank accounts cannot be canceled directly within the app. You will need to contact Cashapp support through their website or app and explain the situation. They might be able to stop the transfer if it hasn't been processed yet.